Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learn update and delete query in MySQL. So basically update query is used to modify the existing record into the database and use where clause to specify which record to update. Okay, and delete query is used to delete the existing record from the database which are not required. Okay, so let's start. I'm opening my MySQL workbench. Entering password. So I'm fetching the data from employee table. We can say employee table. So firstly, I'm changing the records for the employee ID to I'm changing employee name and employee salary. Firstly, I will tell you how to update for single column. Update employee set emp name okay, it's equal to I'm changing name employee name for the employee ID too. Okay, I'm updating Suraj or let's say Sam. So is it completed? No, you have to mention ID where emp underscore employee ID is equal to 2. This is the complete query. Just run and check the table whether it is updated or not. See, before updating the data, here is the employee name is Dheeraj, which we have updated successfully by using update query, and now it is Sam. Okay, so I want to change employee name and employee salary also. So what we are going to do, just check. If you want to update multiple records into the single column, I will tell you how to update. I'm updating record number 3, employee ID 3, and I'm changing employee name and employee salary, which is before updating that Senorita and salary 10. I'm updating now. Here you just change the name, employee name Senorita to let's say Sammy, and if you want to update one more record, that is employee salary, just enter here employee salary is equal to before updating the salary it was 40, so I'm updating it is 50. Okay, for the record number 3, for the employee number employee ID 3, employee salary is 10. Now we are updating up to 50. Okay, let's say it is updated. Now check, is it updated or not? See, Senorita change with Sammy, and employee salary it is changed successfully up to 50 rupees. Okay, now I'm telling you how to use delete query. Okay, just type here so delete. Before I'm telling you how to use delete query, I'm deleting employee ID 3 record. Okay, delete from employee employee where emp id is equal to 3. See, I want to delete employee id 3, means I want to delete whole record for the employee id 3. Just write delete from employee id where the employee id is equal to 3 and run. See, successfully we have deleted the record number 3. So that's it. If you like the video, then please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Bye.